Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to drawing course. In this lecture we're gonna look at dimension properties. So here we have these three views and we have those three dimensions here. So let's click here on the 90mm dimension, this one. And here on the left side we have dimension properties. We have three tabs: value, leaders, and other here. Let's go with the value. So the first one that we have here is tolerance precision. So we can have a tolerance here if we want. We can choose here. We can go with the basic. And now we got something like this. We can go with limit. Now we got something like this. Or here we can put, for example, plus 0.5 like this. And here we can go with a 0 for the minus. We can choose here min. We can choose here max if we want. As well, we can go here symmetric, like this. Plus minus 0.05. We can go with show parenthesis, like this. Here we can choose the precision that we want. We can go with 3 decimals, like this. Or we can go with 2 decimals, like this. Down here we have a primary value. If we don't like this value, we can go override value. For example, we can go with 100, like this, but that doesn't change the dimension of our model. As we said before, because this is driven dimension, this is not driving dimension. And down here we have dimension text. First let's check override value. Now let's go here to dimension text. For example, we can click here, and we can add here if we want to sign for diameter, like this. As well, we can go here, we can add a sign here. At the end, we can go here with counterbore, like this. We can also add parentheses, like this. Or we can go with this one. And we can run this. And now for example, if we want to use those properties on the other dimensions, for example 80, we can go here and we can save this. So we can go add or update a style. So we can call this A, like this, and let's click OK. So this is now A. Now we can just click OK here. Now we can go to here 80mm, and we don't have to set up the old things that we had before. We can just go here to the style. We can choose here A, like this, and now here we have this what we choose before. So let's click OK. So this is how we can define dimension properties. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.